Good morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 5, verse 9 to 11. And Enos lived 90 years, begat Cainan. And Enos lived, after he begat Cainan, 800 and 15 years, and begat sons and daughters. All the days of Enos were 905, and he died. So, indeed, Enos live a total of 900 years, or should I say 905 years. So why this happened? This happened maybe because they have a clean surroundings and with no pollution, and of course they do have a generational blessing. It start with Adam down to Seth, down to the generations of Seth. Okay, this means the generational blessing. When you love God, God will not just bless you, He will also bless your entire generation. Okay.